Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Kelarai ban pelong de kejinge khi apok ke jela kum kejinge shimenta bat ka All India Congress Committee ban persya habro ka keri India halor kejing menjur ya ka farm bills da ka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance bala ilam da ka BJP u MLA ka rang sa kona u baderu unong aiktien ka Congress ha jela u zinit sangma ulong ba kini kejinge khi jeng ka parti ha jela bat kari hi bro ka kalong bandawa na ka sa kapadeng ban bishar biang shwa ya ka farm bills badai ban ra shwaru ya ka bill ha ka parliamentary standing committee bad ka select committee jeng ka parliament ban pan ya ka jing sngau jeng ki ba ulong ba ka sarkar NDA ka badan ya ka jing bon pa ha parliament kala menjur jubor ya ka ne ka bill claim da ya phliu jingmut bad kinong ilam kinong rep ni bad ki MP jeng kalyang persya ka balong persya ya ka jing sngau jeng ki ba unong ilam ka congress ulong ba kinong rep ha kari barok kawai kinamyo shu ka jing mentoi lada pentrikam ya ketigaan namar kinamyo shu ya kedua ka babiang hagapor bayap yo lingba ka minimum support price namar ketigaan kala penduru ya ka agricultural produce marketing committee namar ketigaan kala penduru ya ka agricultural produce marketing committee ang ulong bada ka jingwan ra ya ketiga bil kinangrap ki hak banchania ya ka jingtung bandi ha kedor balabu dikima John he namar sisin bala pendu ya ka APMC Act kinangrap kimla shu ban penyak yo ya kimarep syakimandi ni gijaka bapet de kinangrap ban penyak yo ya kimar ulong ru baka kongres kadawa na sarkar baka dai ban bu ya ka minimum support price ha kata bills nakalang ba Kennedy si kriam ulong baka agricultural produce marketing committee kadai ka an banyada ya kinangrap na gijingsa thambor nisha nyoben hakim hajan kibahe bat kador kamur kalong baka sarkar kan bu khanang bakinongret kinum do nong handai da kejingwan ra jang sarkar ya kan gabil kan pendu no ya ka hok jeng kinongrep namar la weng no ya ka MSP namar kinongrep ki hak bandi bet ya ki mar syakim hajan ki bahe ha kador bobo ki mahajan habakli halor gejing pediang jong menteri rang ba ka jela ya kan gabil bat kanam don jikta ya kinongrep ha ka jela uzinit ulong ba menta kala banum kta handai gejing kta kan sawan namar kumba kalong kinongrep kidai bodlom jangkari barok kawai ulong balik si konrat ki sangma uklam puli ya kani gabil ni detang nomor buka bandan haktup kumukun tip singi jong menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi uba Kennedy ulong bakala bandai bakani gabil kanompat kta ikanongrep hakani gejela handai kumba kapau haduk menta kimarep na gejela kimpala ban penbiang ya jinggan kam badhab mawara ru bon sabar gejela balada ka kta syakiwe ki benta gari India kan kta langru ya kani gejela katkum gejingathu unongilam ka Congress kejingki jeng parti kan sedang nadu benai risau ka artarik da ka kisan masdur bacau diwas hakba an pelong di kidharna bat kejingyai persya bajajai habara ke district headquarters hak shpauterik benai risau kabadi ka kisan semelan an pelong ya kejingki hakinong ba jong baro ki jela uzinet ulaya thuru bahak ni gejingki onra ru ya kejingsoi jong arklor kinongrep ringkat kejingdawa ban bishar biang ya ketigbil hakaba an IT show president jongkari India hak khat sau tarik banai risau
te kejing khot jongi ya kini ka press conference kadai ka ba borok kawai gari India ka Indian National Congress mentak singi ki pelong ya press conference haman laki state bat jan ki district borok ban persya ya kini ki bill ki baka sarkar NDA pok kejinglam jog BJP kala pas bat mentah kini ki bill gidan halenti banyo ya ka jing menjur no presiden jogori India ban penlong anya ka bat sisen bo presiden ulam menjur kani kala long an belengi persya ya kini ki bill kumbolong menta hadu menta ya kamarep kamaryang ujur ukba uko udai ukhaw wat kum tak terpe bro ladon kita kiyo ke bagi khot ki mandi ha khtian hindi kini ki kiyo ki ba ka government kalabu ya ka bala penyat pat daki nongrap kidon ki societies ki jongki kidon ki brio ki ba ki la jet maki ki agent ki jongki ki ba ki la penyat daki nongrap bat hangni kidon ko ke ba ki khot ya ka kanika agriculture produce market committee APMC kani kadai ka marketing board ya ka bala seng lene la sedang da state government jongkari India ka bala pentikna bandon ke jingeda ya ki nongrap na jingsha nyobeng ke jingsa thombor lani ka bagi ong exploitation nak tin pereng daki way pat ki large retailers lani ki nong thiet lani ki mahajan lani ki corporate ki bahe bat kawai ka long ba ya ka dor ka mor jong kani ka government ka bu ka panyarap ya kinong rep bakin dum du nong nangta ka di bendan kani kawai ka bangi khot ka minimum support price ya ka ba i ba zanet la dep ong menta kai kani ka minimum support price kani kadai kata ka ba ka sarkar ka labu ba unong rep undum du nong lanu ru daudi ya ki jingdi jung u wata ka por ba ka yap yo tele ki jing don jing ni ki bill artli ka ba ka sarkar India ka lapan bi lawenno ya kani kam sim don kani ka minimum support price kani ka bill ka long ba unong rep ula bandi directly shaki wholesaler lene ki retailer lene ki ni corporate ki bahe ki mahajan ki bahe ni kasi ki mahajan ki bahe ni semua ba maki ngiyo jumuntoy na makini ki mahajan ki bahe kinwan na jingkhang jong phi kewan na kaper jong phi ban wan thiet ya kamar rep hendrai ngi dei ban tip syai bat hi bahari India prapau persen na ki nong rep ki dei kita ka bangi khot ki marginal agricultures ki nong rep ki baret do ki ba kar komrep jong ki lane ka jaka ka ba ki rep kolong la kumno shi hectare lani ke bagita ke bangi khot ki small farmer ki nongrep ki baret ki baka jakarep jun ki kan long la kumno hapo ar hectare ti tang ar 4% ki don kita ki nongrep ki bahe ki baret ki bun ti kini ki mahajon ki nomlat se kita ki nongrep ki baret kombolong hane hari jun likat no minrep don ki baret wat si hectare nimrem nimdom jakarep nama kamdi ki jaka penthor kamdi ki rithor kadi ki rilum nimla benrep than do kata tikani ki jingdom jogini ki bill khamtam da ka ba wanra ya kini ki an ka bala su bulldoze kam ong ba zenet menne ka bala su pas hangtai wal dami ki jing persya na ki opposition kam sumlong ba mangi ka party congress ni persya na midon na kalyang persya heringi join hands rengkat bat ki nongrep jogri India pro kawai ban persya ya kani ka an ka ba ka sarkar NDA kelawan ra nilai iya Punjab nilai iya Haryana deki lak baki Pawjar ki nongrep ki mi samadan ban persya ka Kerala menta ki lak sim karai baki nek support Supreme Court persya ya kini ki bill tengi na kalian ka opposition na kalian ka party congress ngin pelong kini ka agitation ban penbor ya ke sarkar NDA ban withdraw no ya kani bat ni kerpat ka opposition kala kerpat baya kani ka bill dai ban ra syua ka parliamentary committees lani ka select committees ban ya mirjumut syua ban ya perkhat syua ban aki views ki comments and opinion but we will take the best kai ka bangin le ban safeguard ya ka interest jong kidong rep hendrai la sule don bor tinata kata ngi pelong ya ka ni ka press conference ban pesya ya ka sarkar India halor kini ki bill kata ka dei ka bang kwa ban peni mentah dia namang ni ngim don kini ki mandis ne kita ki yo dirang ko moilong me ko fet bat ki berbon ngi dia yo do ha ka ba hangte la ni ki yo ka ba kinong di ki wan kinong thiet ki wan bat thiet hendrai ke ai ke bangi rep Meghalaya kamla ban pendap yang ni kinong song snow wat si benairu ke ai ke pam ke bagiyo mentah kam dei na len state jongi ukhau uko udai uphan upet baru ki jung pam ki wan ba telaka kata ya ki wei bat ki benta jong gari India ka kata lang yang niru ka kata lang yang niru bat kini kinong dirang mentah bagi thiet ya kene kamar mentah kin thiet da ka dor ke jongki ngimla apa ka dor ke jongi kin bu maki dra phim dia kin thiet ki kidon lese gini ki stok ki bahe kila ban pelat ya kamar bam kin sepelat hadin dala dor kan knyot dor ya kinong rep takani ka dei ki jengma ka bakra ti kombai ong be menne bakani ke MSP hakani ke bill dei ban bu ya kata ka minimum support price khnang ba kinong rep kinum yap no
farm bills in the parliament forcibly without any consultation with any of the stakeholders neither the opposition or any representative from the farmers association across the country, which is the reflection of their high-handedness, and by bulldozing they are doing anything as because they have the majority against the interest of the people of the nation. So today, by joining with the rest of the country, today is the 24th of September, to protest against the passing of the bill, the Congress Party, under the directives of its leadership, is organizing press conference in every state across the country. See, this bill has been passed, as I have said, forcibly by bulldozing, as they are having majority. On the 20th of this month, it has been passed in the Rajya Sabha also. None of the stakeholders, be it any representative from the Farmers Association or from the opposition side, no consultation has been met. So, we as Congress Party, we have started agitational program in opposing this bill, demanding to repeal this law from today onwards, and there will be series of such agitational programs across the country. After this bill is passed and it will be coming as law, the farmers will not get any security. For instance, when APMC, that is called Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee Act, has been abolished, there will be no longer minimum support price to the farmers. That means these farmers, while selling their crops or produces, agricultural produces, they will be at the mercy of the big corporate houses. Because once there is no more APMC, farmers cannot take the produces to the mandi. Then will FCI go to the 15.5 crores farmers fields, which is impossible. Again, FCI cannot go to 40,000 APMC also. The end result will be only 4 to 5 big corporate houses will buy farmers' crop at their own desired rate. That is why it's the demand of the Congress Party that in the ordinances which was passed in the month of June during pandemic time, which has been culminated in the form of bill which has been passed in the parliament, to insert the word minimum support price, to add some clause wherein MSP will be indicated for the agricultural produces. So friends, today on the 24th of September, we have started the agitational program. On the 2nd October 2020, on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, we will observe a Kisan Mazdur Bachao Divas, that is Save Farmers and Farmer Laborers Day. We will organize dharnas, marches in every assembly and every district headquarters. And on 10th October, Kisan Sanmilan will be organized at every state capital and any important places within the state. And 2 crores signatures from the farmers will be collected, and memorandum demanding repeal of this law will be submitted to the President of India on the 14th of November, coinciding with the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So friends, this is the stand of the Congress party, that we oppose this passing of bill, and we demanded minimum support price indication that clause should be inserted in the bill or law.